Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and earlier today I made two videos on how to draw symmetrically. The second one I did it with drawing with the Symmetry tool that's only available in 2018 and above. And I started thinking for people that don't have it yet, you can go clone. You can clone this rectangle, and let's flip it right now, and let's move it over here. Let's take our clone, and right now it says controlled rectangle. I'm going to convert it to a curve. Now it's our control curve. Here's our control curve. Here's our clone curve. For some reason it made it jump over there. But now you can take and do things with it. Take the shape tool and do like that. Now we need to mirror that other one. So let's take this and mirror it that way. Now when we take our clone, it's going to do the same thing on both sides. And you could do other things with it. Sometimes the Twirl Tool is not going to work for it. I don't know, sometimes it does. I don't know what step there we go. I just wasn't waiting long enough maybe. So you could make a twirl and make it equal. Now what you could do, if you wanted to, you could go up and break the two objects apart, and you could go ahead and weld those, and there you have a new object. Let's make the color blue, just so you can see it better. And there you have an object. And as always, you could left click, Control D this time, and make a duplicate and mirror this guy up. Now we're a little bit off on the center. I must have had a rounded part, but we're going to just take the virtual segment delete key and delete those two inner lines. And now you have something totally different again. So you can draw with the clone tool. The clone tool is really fun to play with. It can do a lot of stuff. So it's under Edit, Clone. It doesn't matter what shape you make. You go up to Edit and clone it. And then you could move that over, and this is your clone. This is your control. And then you could convert that. Well, here's one thing you can do with it. I've done it before. Just fill it in with blue, and they both become blue. You know, you could have hundreds of them on your table, and it's going to clone it. We can go up to Object, convert it to a curve, take the Shape tool, and make it a completely different looking item, and it'll mimic that. So there's a way to draw in symmetry, symmetrical. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.